Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by lowering facial fullness through controlled fat loss and simple daily habits. First, create a modest calorie deficit while keeping protein high so you lose fat, not muscle. Next, drink water and sleep 7 to 9 hours. Dehydration and poor sleep blunt results. Also, reduce excess sodium and alcohol to prevent puffiness. Once done, you'll already notice softer cheeks. Make sure to track calories and protein for consistent, visible jawline progress over weeks. Now you refine the underlying muscles and posture that reveal a stronger jawline. Perform chin tucks, resisted jaw pushes, and isometric holds 3 times weekly to tighten neck and submandibular muscles. These exercises enhance contour when fat is lower. Simultaneously, keep up full-body resistance training 2 to 4 times per week to increase metabolic rate and preserve muscle mass. Finally, correct forward head posture with daily mobility. Good posture lifts the jawline visually and ensures your hard work shows. Finish by using styling and practical tricks to maximize the look. Get a haircut that shortens sides and adds volume on top, and shape facial hair to create defined angles. This sculpts perceived bone structure instantly. Practice head angles and lighting. A slight 30 degrees tilt and top lighting emphasize jaw shadows. If progress stalls or you want more than natural changes, consult a dentist for bite issues or a dermatologist/cosmetic specialist for options. Troubleshoot by reassessing body fat percentage, sleep, and hydration first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.